Nais kong mabuhay sa haba ng panahon. Kung ito'y lilipas na ika'y kapiling ko, ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay sa'yo'y ibibigay. Tangi kong panalangin ay pagsamo mo, kailan may di magmamalim ang apoy sa puso ko habang may buhay, habang may buhay, hanggat ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang ialay ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay sa'yo ibibigay. Kung tayo'y magwawalay, ako'y mabibigo, di na nanaisin pang ituloy ang buhay ko habang may buhay, habang may buhay, hanggat ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang ialay ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay sa'yo'y ibibigay. Malaman mo hanggang sa dulo ng mundo, ang pangarap ko'y sa'yo. Habang may buhay, habang may buhay, hanggat ang dugo ko ay dumadaloy, sa'yo lamang ialay ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay sa'yo'y ibibigay ang aking buhay, ang aking buhay sa'yo'y ibibigay.
Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my Father again. Ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, to get my way I would run from her to him. He'd make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, he left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never, ever end. 'Cause I'd love, love, love to dance with my Father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I'd hear how my mother cried for him. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but could you send back the only man she loved? I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my Father again. Every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream. Nagmula sa lupa, magbabalik na kusa ang buhay mong sa lupa nagmula. Bago mo linisin ang dungis ng iyong kapwa, hugasan ng iyong putik sa mukha. Kung ano ang di mo gusto, huwag gawin sa iba. Kung ano ang iyong inutang, ay siya
aming kabayaran. Sa mundo ang buhay ay mayroong hangganan, dahil tayo ay lupa lamang. Kaya't pilitin mong ika'y magbago, habang may panahon ika'y magbago.